mucho gusto. Yes, but don't imagine that I can speak Spanish. Only I know that mucho gusto. Yes. Today I'm going to introduce about manufacturing in AI, how adapt the AI technology in manufacturing. So before I start, this is what I did in Chile. I wanted to know the Chile peoples and then how do they live, and then that's why I traveled. If I have time, I walk and learn and learn and learn. I want to see so many things in the Chiles. So what I saw it is just a kind of ordinary things. Really, it is easy to see in the near here, but for me, this kind of things are so special for me because for you it is ordinary, but for foreigner side, it is special for me. So why I'm saying this, to understand the people and to understand how do they live is more important than to have a good technology or something. So before I make some business in Chile, I just want to know that people's how living. So now I'm going to introduce about our company shortly. We are specializing in AI and then using automation and IoT, and we adapt manufacturing. So we just focus on that, how to improve the productivity and how to reduce the cost of the manufacturing. That was what we did. And this one is how we grow. I started 2015 alone. We started it. And then at the time, my major was machine learning, but I wanted to adapt this technology in manufacturing. But at the time, it is not a common thing because now we know much about AI and machine learning, but at that time, nobody knows that much about it. Only in the scholarships we have it, and we do the in a lab. But I think that, I thought that this kind of technology can adapt, and then it can improve something productivity, and also we can reduce the defects. So we use this technology to the vision inspection first. After that, we use this AI algorithm to predict. And then we are using this kind of technology in a cobot and doing automation. And also, we're using a 3D vision, and then now on, we are improving. Well, and also, at the first, frankly, I didn't have knowledge enough to solve all customers' problems. So that we traveled so many countries who have the fundamental technology. I just go there and I knock the labs, and then I ask them to cooperate, to research together, and then let's solve this kind of problems. Maybe it's for me lucky is I have a lot of data of the manufacturing, but in a scholarship or labs, they doesn't have the field data, so they want that kind of data. So I deal with them. I give them a field data, and then they give us something fundamental technology. So we did it, and then now I came to Santiago. Maybe I also look for this kind of cooperation with this some of thing here. What we key achievement is here. Actually, when I was start the company, I focus in a legacy system like SCM, ERP, and MES. That is something like ordinary and then easy things. But in this experience, give me to fully understand about the manufacturing. Because of this kind of implementation or integration, when I do that, I really understand about the manufacturing, and then what they want to control, and then what they want to improve, and what is their concerns. Based on that, we improved the technology. Using AI to read the vision was the first things that we done. And then we use the machine learning in here and to solve their product quality problems. And now, and also we use AI algorithm in automation too. Not just teaching the robot have to think also. So we use it in AI in automation. And now we are focusing in like a robot is not enough only to see in a 2D. We need to see it in a 3 dimension so that we can know the depth. It is much different, only 2D and the 3D. This one was the very beginning, what we have done. So in ERP and SCM and MES, we adopt the AI algorithm here to predict the demands and then the stocks and the delivery things. We use the historical data and then we train it and then get something figure out how we to actually schedule about the manufacturing and then delivering something. So this is the first things we did. And second, now this is a vision detect defect. When they do the manufacturing, we see the camera, and then we use a machine learning algorithm here, and then detect the defect. How we did is, this is a kind of factors impact the quality. So we use the pattern of the good and defect. This was the first factor. And the second thing is, it is not only enough because the shape sometimes looks the same, not so much different with the good and bad. So we also use the temperature distribution. The area, what we want to see how the temperature changes or it contains, depends on that the quality will be changed also. So and not only this one, also we saw the whole temperature of the whole in this production. Yes. So this kind of 3 factor we used in data to machine learning. And now this one is to detect the human behaviors, how the worker is working. And then we checking that this system, the worker properly, they do the assembly or the work floor as a work floor, because sometimes worker, they know that how to do it, so that they sometimes ignore it the proper way. So, but this kind of, maybe it doesn't make a defect directly, but it is hidden. Sometimes it makes human errors if we do not follow the directions. So this solution check the whole process. If the process is very well done, we go the next and step and next and step and next step. Monitoring of this kind of things, we can know that in which process many workers have a mistake. From that data, we can improve the workers' activities or retraining to improve their productivity. And then also we can know that which process must take a long time, so that we can change the process also. Now this one is a kind of, we use 3D vision in a field. So now you can see that the robot is checking the items by 3D scanner, and then know that the directions, and then where is that, and then what is that. Also it knows it. So we scanner take in here also you can see that the product is not in a proper way. It is stuck in any way, but it's check it, and the robot can know that where is it, and then it can grab and place it whatever it wants. But the data from the scanner is point cloud data. This one we are going to use in deep learning too. Now we can see that, you will see it. This one object will be moved. And then, sorry. I think the movie is not working. I don't know why. Okay, sorry. So actually this one is a hanged, and then it is moving. And the 3D scanner is scanning the first, and then it predicts how it fast move, and after that, the robot already moved to the moved to the predicted path, and then to the screen. Actually, it is moving, and the robot is just watching it, and then it goes the first, and then to the screw. That is also the kind of oh, it's working now. Yes, maybe you can see it. Now it's watching how it moves, and then it predicts the movement, and then it goes first the way, and then waiting for the movement, and then to the screen. Yes. And it's also similar technology. It is about used in a pad. Maybe you can know that it is a sit pad. But the shape is something. It's not hard. It is It is not a defect, but it is a changeable shape. That's why we need to check it. Where we need to trim it, and then deep learning watch it, and then make a path to move the robot to trim the pad. And now we use the total technology in here. We use the 3D vision and cobot and AMR. Before we make something this kind of a product, we already know that how actually drawing, how to make the product, this product. Before we make this product, we already drew from the designing files, right? And then after they make this product, we need to check it. This product is well made as like drawing, but nobody knows that. So that ordinary method is to check the measuring with the rulers, and then something like there's a jig. We put it here, and then it is a fit or not. You just check like this one. But this one, now scanning the whole part. It's moving, even though it is big or small, it doesn't matter. It's checking the whole part, and then it compared to the designing file, and then the real shape. And then what is the tolerance, and then what is difference. You check it, and then it tells us what this shape is different because of what. It tells us about this kind of things. So we try to solve the customers' problems. Many things we challenged it because I really wanted to help them to improve their productivity or quality problems. So we think together as like my problems, and then we go to so many places to learn the technology, something. But I realized that this kind of effort, I think the customers loved us. And then now we have more than 1,400 Hyundai and Kia partners, and also we have in Thailand Toyota suppliers also. They are using our solutions, and then we cooperate together, solve the problems. You see this here? Actually, the technologies go so fast, I cannot follow that, frankly. So what I take the strategy is, who has the fundamental technology? We cooperate, and then we solve together. That was my strategy, and then every something, how we say that, comes, we can overcome it because of the cooperations. And also now we have a joint venture in Thailand, and then in this year, it becomes incomes, and then we have so many projects started. Not only the Thailand, we just started Indonesia, so many projects we started already. And now I'm looking for good chances in Chile too. Really, we believe that if we do the best in small things, and then we do the all things effort in here, I think that kind of people can change the world. I don't know that I cannot change the whole world, but I believe that we can change the small part of our world if we do the best. So this is my presentation, and then I want to look for, I want to meet this kind of same spirit and cooperate with me. Yes, please contact me. Thank you.